tiendita. We're done. So, siempre venimos aquí, compramos cosas y nos las llevamos para revender. You want me to bring the cart, babe? No, me está bien lleno el pinche carrito ya con los birds. Mira, neta. This is our cart right here. This one. We got all these. No, me está bien lleno, güey. ¿Ah? Just gonna pick up the cart. Pick up the cart and just take it over there. Uy, cabrón. Okay. So we are done. We are done with our list. We're done with our list for this store. Look how big this store is. Massive. All right, let's get out of here. What are you looking for now? Wala na? All right. So she's done. She's done. All I'm gonna do is wait over here. Just gonna wait right now. Let me see if I can turn the brightness up right now. Okay, I got it brighter. I'm gonna switch the camera. And there you go. Now you can see all the market right now. It's feeling cloudy right now. You see that right now? Se está poniendo nublado aquí el pedo. See more people. This is the public market of the province here. So you see the rice over there ahead. Wow, look at that tricycle right there. Bam. There's more people. Bam. There's more people coming and motorbikes and everything, but ahí vienen más. Look at that little boy right there. Yeah, right here. Right here, there's 8-year-olds, 7-year-olds driving motorcycles. There's my wife right there. My baby. Hi, babies. Hello. I don't know what she. Oh, I think she's looking at soft drinks. Yeah, she's looking at soft drinks. Pila. Oh, let me go see if they have some over there. No, the the drinks. This ones, I'll buy them over there, dude. How much is that? Oh, we'll just buy it.